In 2011, Kyocera came back to the copier market with a presentation of the Taskova collection and 3500i, 4500i, 5500i models. Despite the rather eccentric stylization, the device's construction itself is successful in many respects. If you have not heard about the Taskalf models so far, do not worry about it. The Kyocera Meter Company exists since the middle of the 20th century, continuously producing office equipment. With one fact you cannot argue: looking for a used monochrome copier with A3 format and having a budget of about 4,000 Polish zlotys, you will certainly find it on this device. Is it worth buying them? Kyocera Taskalva copier went to us for a long-distance test in 2017 and worked on 400,000 prints, or 800 reams of paper. Kyocera has developed an effective network interface system, thanks to which the device can work as a copier, printer or color network scanner as standard. Support for copy speeds of 35 pages per minute is 1 GB of RAM and a 160 GB disk. According to the manufacturer's assumptions, the original TK6307 toner has a yield of 35,000 pages at 5% coverage, which is true. Toner exchange is very easy. We used up during the 11 toner test. Despite the use of the originals, the machine was clean 3 times from the black deposit around the drum. The surprise is a waste toner box that is not supplied with toner. You must order it separately and it actually overflows and can block the machine. The machine used will certainly be equipped with the DP770 automatic document feeder for 100 sheets, or the DP771 has 175 sheets. Option DP771 is an interesting solution because it accepts paper with a weight of 220 gr per square meter, while the user DP770 must be satisfied with a weight of up to 160 gr per square meter, which in our conditions is still a good solution. During the test, the original tray never let us down and we do not raise any objections. Consumables in our ADF are a roll of separation, a pickup roll and a pickup bar that are still in good condition after 400,000 copies. An extensive color touch panel is not friendly for new use, but its topography is easily assimilated and several days of work can be navigated intuitively. We'll see how the copies came out. Here Kyocera falls perfectly, a clean copy with the appropriate depth of black and correctly reproduced scale of gray. The main window, made of good glass, has no scratches. But it was not without surprises. After the first 40,000 copies, the machine began to staple the paper more or less in the exit unit section. After wiping the right section, the paper was everywhere. But it did not leave the machine. The cause of the failure was faulty clutches, which the manufacturer modified and additionally created a sticker guiding paper around the section of the Fusaera, which should be put into the modification as part of the modification. It is worth getting interested if the machine you want to buy was covered by this service action. In conclusion, is it worth buying this device? Network duplex scan, rich speed copying equipment and efficient account materials defects in children's age, which in total with small expenses can be eliminated. Check the Fusa unit before buying the machine and be prepared for the need to replace the paper pickup rollers. Note the low mileage models that worked abroad as high-speed network scanners. As a rule, these devices require replacement of the entire original tray. If you have any important observations and interesting experiences with this copier model, write about it under the film.